Welcome to LeonLite, your trusted landscape lighting solution provider. Solar lights and low voltage lights have their own scenarios to be used. However, many people are still confused and bought the lights far from their expectations, or they never heard of low voltage light. Simply speaking, if you are serious about your lighting, go for a low voltage system. And if you just need to briefly light your garden real quick, such as for a small party once in a while, then solar lights could work. Want to get more details? Let me break down the differences between solar lights and low voltage landscape lights, and why low voltage lights might just be the superior choice for your garden. Let's start with solar lights. They're trendy because they are easy to install and eco-friendly. But are they the best option for your landscape? Now, let me introduce you to the unsung heroes of landscape lighting, the low voltage lights. These lights operate on lower electrical voltage, making them energy efficient as well. But that's not all. One of the biggest advantages of low voltage lights is their brightness and focus. With low voltage lights, you've got rich brightness to illuminate the environment. They're also great for highlighting specific areas in your garden. On the other hand, solar lights usually have dim brightness, which can be limiting. The brightness of a candle is about 10 lumens. So let's measure how bright they are. As you can see, a solar light is only as bright as 2 to 3 candles, and the low voltage light is significantly brighter. Solar lights have a nemesis: cloudy weather. Their performance drops significantly when the sun isn't out. Low voltage lights, however, are unwavering and consistent. They provide illumination regardless of the weather conditions. Throughout the seasons, low voltage lights remain reliable. Solar lights often have built-in batteries that need replacing and are not as sturdy. The material of solar light panels are also easy to break. Low voltage lights require minimal maintenance, and the average lifespan of a light bulb is about 3 to 5 years, whereas solar lights last around months. Variety is the spice of life, and low voltage lights offer that. Because of the high brightness of low voltage lights, there's a plethora of designs and styles to choose from. However, the low brightness of solar lights makes it can only be designed with visible light source or transparent. You might think solar lights are the greenest option, but low voltage lights are also energy efficient, and they have a lower environmental impact over time. Though solar lights don't consume electricity, the manufacturing and disposal of their batteries and solar panels have an environmental impact. Let's talk about the initial cost and installation. Solar lights are generally cheaper and easier to install since they don't require wiring. But low voltage lights, despite the higher initial cost and installation, save you in the long run due to their durability and low maintenance. If you just need decent lighting only for such as Christmas, Halloween, and anniversaries, solar lights might be sufficient. But for long-run and diverse uses like security, aesthetic designs, and to perfect the vibe for all your important days at once, low voltage lights are the way to go. In conclusion, while solar lights have their perks, low voltage landscape lights take the cake in terms of high brightness, weather resistance, durability, variety, energy efficiency, and overall performance. Consider what your garden needs, and don't be afraid to give it a try. Have you used low voltage or solar lights in your garden? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more landscape lighting tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.